And winner chicken dinner. That's what we're feasting all on, right? So all that's left to do is to add a little bit of green stuff, which I love green. I love the outfit in green, but I love the things that taste great that are green as well. Jamika's whipping up some creamed spinach with garlic and herb breadcrumbs. Oh, dish the details.
I know you all excited about leafy greens. I bring the fun for you. Okay. So yes, we have to complete our meal with our vegetables. So it's creamed spinach. You can see here, I've already started with a little milk and I created a roux, and that's equal parts flour and butter. So that kind of thickens things up. And then to add just that extra oomph, I don't know, you look away because...
What is that?
We gotta add a little cream cheese.
Oh, come on, it's not a little cream cheese. I'm looking at
it. Of cream cheese. Now let me tell you.
Can I look? Let me know.
You can look. It's okay. It's okay. Breathe. It's okay. And we can do. You can even do reduced fat cream cheese if that makes you feel better. What that does, you don't have to do as much reducing down with your bechamel sauce or your cream sauce because the cream cheese instantly thickens it up, gives it a lot of body and richness. And you can even do flavored cream cheese if you like to. So little herbs and garlic in there. Season it up just a bit, and then we're doing the spinach, and you can even do frozen kale too, and you'll defrost it, let it drain out, squeeze out some of that liquid, because you don't want too much of the liquid in there, because then you're making cream spinach soup. We don't want that. Right. Yeah, we don't want to do that. So yes, we'll pour that in, thank you. And once you mix that all together, this is how I like to finish the dish, because we just want to add a little bit of love to it. This is grated nutmeg, fresh nutmeg, y'all.
I like that little touch.
When you put that in there, and you kind of mix it all together, it's just like a little kiss of flavor. It just kind of brings everything alive. It makes it warm and homey. And everybody's like, oh my gosh, this is like so amazing. And all it was grated nutmeg, y'all. That's all it was. Yes. So yeah, so you let all of that come together. And this is what it looks like here. Isn't that beautiful?
Beautiful.
And this is the only way my mom could get me to eat spinach, was to add lots of cream and everything to it. So if you're like me, just add a little.
Can you use it as a dip too?
You could. You could.
Oh, you just blew the lid off.
You could.
Oh my God.
And just for a little bit of texture, we're gonna do it a little slow. So you gotta bring that in.
What about your baby girl? Will she eat the spinach?
My baby girl, no, she eats nothing. My baby girl's the worst. All she wants to do is eat plain rice and pizza. So yes, I went to culinary school just to make plain white rice and pizza. There you go. Yes.
She's 3.
She's 3. I hope she eats more.
What about spinach on the pizza? Ooh, spinach pizza.
If you hide the green, will she get into it then?
You hide it, that way she can't see it.
And you know, every time I think I outsmart her, she's gonna go in there and pick it all off. There'll be a pile of spinach.
We're not gonna give up.
Yes, I appreciate all. If you have information, write in. Tell me something, because I can't feed my baby. She just won't eat anything. But we can all feast on
you're feeding us today.
I mean,
let's try this chicken dinner. I've been getting after this roll-up, this cheesy chicken roll-up.
It's so good.
Oh, and it's just the right amount of, like, this is, you know, we got cream spinach, we got creamy mashed potatoes, we got cheesy chicken. We are not skimping today.
Beautiful.
Come on. Now, before we go. This is like the perfect plate. Yeah, but it's the perfect plate. Isn't this called winner chicken dinner? Don't you think we should have somebody win something?
Yes.
Okay.
All right.
Everyone in the audience was given an egg on the way in. Okay. One of them has little chickens inside. What? So I want you guys to get your egg and open them up, and let's see who has the the chickens.
There's our winner.
Go ahead, open up.
Open them up. Who's got the chicken? Where's the chicken on the inside?
Oh, the chicken, stand up. Who has
the chicken? Who's the winner? Where are they? Open it up.
No.
No chicken. No chickens.
Stand up.
No chickens.
Nobody has the chickens.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, I won. No, I'm kidding.
Uh-oh.
There are no chickens?
Wait a minute.
Oh.
What?
Where is she?
Where is she?
We have a winner. We have a winner.
We are sending you to dinner at one of the best spots for chicken in New York, Le Coq Rico.
Congratulations. Nice.
It's delicious. This restaurant is amazing. They make a million different kinds of chicken. You are going to love this. Enjoy your chicken dinner. And everybody else here needs to make this chicken dinner at home. Yes. Delicious.
There.
The Dish crew will be back next week with our new twist on the hot, cheesy sandwiches that you all love. We'll see you next time.